let's go ahead and try to open up the site and see what we get. So we call this shop3.privatesales.com. And here's our online boutique. Now, one of the interesting things that you'll notice is as you select the product catalog and you navigate between pages, we've added a little icon here to show you which cloud is being used to actually deliver the page. So where is the page actually being rendered? So this page was rendered on Google. If we refresh, we probably see, oh, we've now got this rendered on AWS. This is all transparent to you as a user and a developer. Now, let's add a couple of items to the cart. And one of the things that you'll see, so I've got a camera added to the cart. Let's go ahead and add my favorite record player. And you'll notice that the cart is consistent even as you're moving between clouds. Let's see if we can catch an AWS cart here. The cart is entirely consistent, and that's because of the networking topology that we've created. You'll also notice that the performance is blazing fast. So I encourage you guys to try out the sample, try out the demo for yourselves. This is a really good exercise to go through to understand the capabilities of a CAST cluster. But a couple more things I want to show you before we end the demo today.